Friends, running kimono. So it is Monday the 16th. I hope you guys are all having a great Monday. Here I am so cheerful about Mondays, but I hope you guys are all having a great day. So in today's video, we're going to look at one deal, doing it as a curbside pickup, and then two other deals doing them in store, and it'll make sense like for ice cream and the other items that I'm talking about, why we're doing it in store. So just to make this abundantly clear for the new shoppers out there, for this first deal, we're doing it as a pickup, which means you order it from your cell phone or your desktop computer, you drive to the store and go and retrieve it, or a customer service rep will bring it to your car. Please pay attention. For curbside deals, we're looking for the cheapest only, and that's why I'm still making these videos. But for curbside deals specifically, there are no more register rewards or Walgreens cash when you go pick it up. So even if you're going to try because you see that it's still working, it's not going to work. And if you read the fine print, the customer service reps from Walgreens along with the managers at your local store have every right to say no because it is in the fine print. So please don't fight me on this point. We're just looking for cheap stuff. In-store is definitely the way to go right now. If you see, I made a basket yesterday where I was in store and I got all this stuff for really inexpensive, including a lot of 90% off snacks. We're talking almonds, Taki peanuts with that peanuts in the center and the Taki around for 29 cents, and beef jerky, and like so many great things. I was so hyper in this video yesterday. If you want to check it out, I'll link it at the end. But 90% is absolutely the way to go. And there's lots of candies and sweet treats too. I see so many people hauling. So if that is your thing, or you want to get some goodies for like a future road trip, or if you go couponing every weekend, you want a couple treats in your purse, by all means, guys, I would go and look, on end caps at the front where they have the treats, along with, in the treat section where they have all those goodies, where they have food, or even clearance section, because you might find quite a few items. So this first deal we're going to look at is curbside, so meaning you order it from your phone or your desktop computer. However, all these items are a sales price, so I think they would be the same in-store as well. So you can be the judge of that. So the first item we're going to grab is this Cottonelle toilet paper for $4.99. We have a $1 digital coupon. You see it says deal of the week, thus I know it would be the same price in store. So this is the $1 digital that we're going to load, and with the revolving prices of toilet paper, absolutely this is an item to grab. We're also going to grab one of these Vanity Fair napkins. You're either a household that uses them or not. We don't typically use them unless we're having like a barbecue or company over. It's like one of these things like fanciness. Maybe that's why it's called Vanity Fair. There's a 50-cent manufacturer and a $1 IVC coupon. So load both of these coupons and it'll make your Vanity Fair fancy napkins extra cheap. And the last item I'm going to grab is the Scott toilet paper, or alternatively, you can grab the paper towel. And there's a $1 manufacturer coupon plus an IVC coupon. Now, we're in the middle of the month, so if you use this digital IVC, it's a one-time use online. So you won't be able to do this deal. You'll have to do it in store with the Big Book of Savings. But that's the manufacturer on the top, and the $1.25 IVC at the bottom, that's of a one-time use. So it's once per store card. But if you still have it like me, you can definitely do this as a curbside dealio. Now, just to show you the gorgeous chorus line of coupons, as you can see, everything is coming off like bing, 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 bing. Isn't that great? So make sure that you have all those digital coupons loaded. And so the final subtotal of your basket is $8.34, including the tax. I would throw in $5 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and pay $3.34 for the 3 paper products. Now, all 3 of those products are on some sort of like promotion. I think Vanity Fair too would be a similar cost in store. But you can go in store and double, triple check, or you can place your order in store if you wish. But you either do this as a curbside or you could do it in store. I think doing it in store, you could possibly do it for this one because I think those Vanity Fair napkins are of a similar price. But it's just a way to get some cheap paper products. I mean, why not? Because paper products seem to be on the rise lately. Okay, the next couple deals we're going to be doing in-store, meaning you physically have to go in-store. Now, this one is courtesy of Couponing Craze over on Instagram. She posted about this yesterday, so I do want to give her a quick shout-out. Unfortunately, if you try to do this as a curbside deal, here's the weird thing, guys. These digital coupons are not attaching, but they're attaching in store. So that is kind of bizarro. So the Nature's Bounty is on a buy one, get one free. And then we have a $3.50 and a $3 digital coupon. Not all store accounts got them, but these are the ones that I got. And I know she had two 350 coupons, which is a lot better than what I got. But still, if you use these supplements, and this is actually the brand that I use every morning. So I'm definitely going to do this deal because it's inexpensive and a super deal for vitamins. So for this one, guys, you're going to grab 2 Nature's Bounty for $9.99. It's a little bit more expensive in store. Now you have your $3.50 and your $3. And even though one is free, it's still going to make 2 lines in the limit, thus that second coupon will attach. It's weird, but it's how the couponing over there goes. So for me, I'll pay $3.49. If you have 2 350 coupons, you'll pay $2.99 for the 2. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, you're not using a booster with this little dealio, by all means go for it. And it's just a way to get some very cheap supplements. And again, this is not working for curbside. The coupons are not attaching. I do not know why. Okay. The next deal in store, again, because we're dealing with sorbet or whatever this is called. So that's why I would buy it in store. And we're looking for the Talenti pairings. It'll say it on the ice cream container. So you really have to pay attention when you're in store. And if you can't find this at Walgreens, I would try your Kroger's, your Meijer, your Walmart. Because if you love ice cream, this might be a thing for you. Now, why I'm suggesting Walgreens, here's why, guys, because we have a $2 off of 2. So that'll be some extra savings for you to make this an even bigger money maker. Now, alternatively, if your store doesn't sell the pairings and you need to buy that specific one, perhaps an alternative would be to go to one of those grocery stores, but this is one I would try to hunt down today. Now, what is a pairing? See how it says gelato pairing, sorbet pairing, but it says pairing right on the container. So I'm really coming down hard on you guys like a sack of hammers is to pay attention to that, because with one of the rebate apps, it's very, very specific that it has to be this one. So fingers and toes crossed, your store sells these. Now, the Fetch Rewards app has 100% cash back when you buy the new Talenti pairings. Any variety, mango, raspberry, sorbet. The devil is in the details. As you can see, there's a whole, it says includes, semicolon or colon. All of those delicious flavors. So really, really pay attention, guys, because you don't want to buy this stuff and you don't have to pay for it because it's always expensive. It's like $6 or $7 at any of the stores. But that's the list that you're going to have to follow, and it's a free rebate, and it ends today on the 16th. So double, triple check your Fetch Rewards Discoveries page that you, in fact, have this, and you can make it happen. But it gets better. Your IBOTTA account also has a $1 rebate that you can do up to 3 times. So I would grab 2, make it easy with that $2 digital. But this is an extra $1 back from IBOTTA. So, it just savings upon savings. This one also has the little clock of 1 day remaining. So, really double, triple check. All your rebate apps have that, and you're grabbing the one that says pairings. The devil is in the details, and you don't want to buy something to not have the rebate. So, double, triple check your Fetch and your IBOTTA, and then double, triple check you're grabbing the right one. And if you want a sweet treat, by all means, grab 2 of them and laugh all the way to the bank and back. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.